Today is Father's Day. I'm going to cut some flowers from the garden to bring to the cemetery for my dad. What I have here is clean, warm water to place the water in immediately after cutting, along with a clean, sharp cutter. The ideal time to cut fresh flowers is either early morning or late evening. These are typically the coolest times of the day, and flowers tend to be more hydrated during these periods. Avoid cutting flowers during the heat of the day when they may be stressed and dehydrated. It looks a little foggy this morning. At least it's not smoke from all the forest fires we're having here all over Canada. Let's go cut some flowers.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being.
It is best to cut flowers that are in the bud stage or just beginning to open. They will continue to bloom after being cut and placed in water. However, since the flowers I need today are for the cemetery, I don't need to be too choosy as long as they are not falling apart.
You can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got
Remove any leaves that will be submerged in the water. I'm removing half of the stem's leaves for now, and I'll come back later to further clean them. Sometimes it is a personal decision whether to remove all the leaves or leave some on the stem.
so fight and die.
All the flowers I have collected are perennials, which means they will come back next year. They will die in the fall, but they'll sprout again in summer. This flower is already dead. I have to cut it off. When removing a spent flower, cut it where the flower stem joins the main stem. That way, no one will notice that there was a missing flower. another spent flower to cut off from the main stem. The stem is a little too long. I need to trim some off. When cutting the stem, it is better to make a slanted or diagonal cut rather than a straight cut. This increases the surface area for water absorption. I decided to remove all the leaves that I could. It's a lot cleaner that way, and the focus will be on the flowers. I would normally dunk all the flowers in a tub of water, just to get rid of some of the insects lurking around. We have another commitment to attend, so we need to leave the house early, and I don't have time to do that right now. When transporting flowers from one place to another, it is important to keep them hydrated. It can be difficult to transport them in a bucket full of water. What I do is soak at least 2 layers of paper towels with water, wrap them around the cut part of the stems, and place them in any kind of plastic bag, preferably a clear one. I would secure the bag by tying it with ribbon, string, or any available material. In this case, I am using a garden wire wrapped in rubber. Next week is the subscribers giveaway. It's my way of thanking all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. By subscribing, you will be able to participate in this giveaway as well as the future giveaways. The videos to watch for next week's giveaways are planting bitter melon and planting perennials. enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Your comments would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated. Again, thank you, and until next time, bye-bye.